What's up, YouTube? Do you want to get paid $100 just for making a list? If so, stay with me because I got something really special. Before we get before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up with a much of.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Dang it! I thought Bart wouldn't hear me this time. He's so annoying, that guy. He heard me again. Bart, stop it! It's ridiculous. Anyway. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz. Now, you see, I love Liz. She says the same thing every day, but I can't get enough of it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the website for listverse.com, and you can see here that they pay you $100 in exchange for writing a good list. Now, the only catch is, of course, if they don't like your list, they're not going to publish it, and they won't pay you for it. But you do get to keep it and use it for whatever you want. You can use it for your own website or whatever. And if you do happen to get published, then you can get quite a nice amount of traffic to your own website as well.
Just seconds ago, a car crashed through the building.
Not traffic crashing into buildings, thank you. But anyway, but no, seriously, you can get a lot of traffic. Basically, write a good list, something that's interesting, something that's quirky. And my thinking is like this: if they publish it, then great, and if they don't publish it, well, then put it on your own website and just use it for your own purposes. Either way, you're going to get some experience writing some interesting lists, and lists are very, very popular. People love to see them. They will help you get traffic to your website no matter what happens. So go ahead and do it. And if you get published, then you make $100. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a very short video today. Not going to do a whole long thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.
Okay, I'm going already. Relax. Anyway, I will see you on the next video tomorrow.